Okay guys, here we are on the trail. I got all my lights on, clear on the bike. So this is the front 22-inch Willpower, 324 watts. Two small pod lights. They need to be adjusted and point towards the ground. That's a 12-inch bar in the back. So let's just go for a little ride up in the woods here. Kind of got the light a little bit towards the ground because when the wife and the little girl gets on back, it kind of points the light up towards the trees a little too much. So that's the front. Rear. Side pod lights. Kind of hard to record here. Just wanted to give you a good idea of what it's like with the differences between the lights. That's pretty good though for, you know, 22-inch light bar, 324 watts. Can't record too long because my battery's gonna go dead. Kind of sucks. Pod lights shine out in the woods pretty good. This one needs to come up a little bit. And there's the rear one. Sure enough, my battery's going dead. Let's just go up a little further. I lose you guys, the battery went dead. Trying my best to give you a half decent review of the light. Just put the brakes on here really quick. So that's the rear 12-inch 304 watts, I do believe. Can't quite remember. Pretty bright. Pod lights on the bottom. They shine out pretty good in the woods. Side. Yeah, that's pretty bright for, you know, these lights. This one here was like 50 bucks in the front. That one there was $37 on top. And these little pod lights were $20. Can't beat that. Let's see how much battery I've used. Just for the hell of it, before my battery goes dead. Can't see a damn thing. Oh, go figure. Batteries broke, or the cable broke again. So I can't see what the fuck's being the voltage is. But anyways, you guys, that's just a quick review. I'll keep you updated on the light. Pretty bright. I'll keep you updated. Should be pretty good for plowing. So let's just go up a little further and turn. not too bad for a cheap light. Will do all I would need. The only reason why I really put these on was to go for rides at night with my wife, scouting around different trails. We like to ride at nighttime. Plowing. Crickets thick as daylight. I must have a deck underneath my bike. It's not too bad. So you guys, that's the Willpower 22-inch, 324 watt. Well worth the money. We'll see how they hold up. See if any water gets in behind the lenses. We'll see how the lights hold up through the wintertime. Let's go. Nice little ride we went on. I don't think the camera does it justice.